Do I have these emojis? Let's go. First one is a football. Let's go to my collection to see if I have it. And here we have a football on the top. I don't know where I got that rainbow from. Actually, let's add it to the bucket. Boom. Matches the bucket. Next one is a rainbow. Got a sparkly rainbow. Of course we have one. This one's a piece of cake. No, literally, a piece of cake. Here it is. Add to the bucket. And next one is a strawberry. Here we have a strawberry. A squishy strawberry. I didn't know I would have a strawberry. So satisfying. Next one is a tomato. Let's see if I have one. Here is a tomato. So satisfying. I love tomatoes. Okay, actually I don't like tomatoes. Why am I saying I like tomatoes? Whatever. Next one is an eyeball. Who has an eyeball? I do. I have an eyeball. That's what I have. I have an eyeball. So let's add it to the cart and add to the bucket. And surprisingly, I have all the fidgets. All these fidgets. So subscribe. Subscribe for more.